Hi guys, I'm Chef Cropper. I'm excited for you to join me this year in Worcester Tech Culinary Arts. I have the career for you. Cooking and baking are not going away. People love to eat. Here at Worcester Tech, you choose whether you want to go into professional cooking or professional baking in semester 2. You start the year in Foundations of Professional Cooking. In this class, we learn the basics in the kitchen. We learn nutrition, culinary math, knife skills, and the fundamentals of how to become a good cook. You haven't seen anything yet. Our kitchen is amazing. It's a state-of-the-art facility consisting of 3 kitchens, our general student lab that you see now, our baking and pastry lab, our real-life kitchen set up just like an actual restaurant would have, a knife skill and demo theater, ballroom, and small dining room for front-of-the-house service. You not only will learn how to cook and bake, but you'll also learn business management, how to open your own business and or bake shop. As you can see here, students work together in the kitchen and in the classroom. We're doing a team building activity to work on our front of the house skills. I have a student here working on an elaborate cake that stood about 8 feet tall for the 150th anniversary of the Worcester County Public School system. The cake was completely made out of gum paste and fondant with hand-done flowers. Not only do we do large cakes, but we do small celebration cakes, breads, pastries, croissants, and elaborate dessert displays. These are all things that you will learn in the Baking and Pastry program. I want to ignite your passion for culinary arts. We are an ACF, American Culinary Federation program, and you will be certified by the American Culinary Federation upon completion of the program. We also compete in Skills USA on a national level for both culinary arts and baking and pastry. You can see here some breads and a composed salad that students did for the competition. I would love to help you cook up success in the Culinary Arts and Baking and Pastry program at Worcester Tech. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me or see your school counselor about the program. You're never too young to start to learn how to cook. For more information on this program and your future career, contact us today, Cropper at WTHS Culinary on Twitter, or you can reach out to the school webpage at worcestertechhs.com. You can call us at 410-632-5500. We look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, my name's Shelley Mason, and I'm one of the counselors here at Worcester Tech. By now, you've been introduced to over 20 programs. We'd like to invite you to learn about the remaining programs at our website. There you'll find detailed information, course descriptions, and further instructor videos that will assist you on fully understanding what the Worcester Tech experience is all about. So what's next? Well, what we'd like to do is help you determine what pathway is for you. Maybe you've already done that, but most students don't have any idea which career direction they want to take. So this is such an important part of your educational process that we've actually provided a tool to help you do that on our website. So there you'll see a tab called Parent and Student Resources, and under that you'll see College and Career Planning. And there you'll find a planning exploration activity, and it's filled with tools and resources that will help you determine what parts of your personality and your interests and strengths match what careers. And then there's also research tools there where you can type in any career and it'll tell you anything you possibly want to know about that. So once you've done those activities there, you hopefully will have some clarity about the direction that you're going in. The next resource that's there is a tool called High School Planning, High School Course Planning Sheet. And what that will help you do is to keep your end goal in mind and use your high school experience and your plan of study to meet that goal. So hopefully you'll find those tools valuable If you work through those tools and you find that one of our programs here at Worcester Tech are for you, we will be delighted. And then you're probably asking, so what do I do now? Well, registration for a course here at Worcester Tech is easy. If you're an 8th grader presently, there's a link and a QR code at the end of this presentation, and you'll utilize that. However, if you're presently a 9th grade, 10th grade, or an 11th grade student, you'll simply make your request on your course request sheet that your high school counselor will give you. Now, sometimes those requests are made through PowerSchool, and you'll do the same thing. You'll just choose those courses for that program, and then that summer we'll take care of the rest for you. So I hope this was helpful. Regardless of what pathway you choose to take, we here at Worcester Tech would be delighted to help you. Please feel free to reach out to us, and we wish you the best.